it's me again, JAMJUM SEPE, and welcome back to my channel. Okay, if you want to learn this recipe, please watch this video from the start up to the end. And for those who have not yet subscribed to this channel, please subscribe. And also, if you want to be notified for all my videos, please press the bell icon, guys. So guys, now let's go and prepare our ingredients for our kabsa chicken. See you later, guys. Okay guys, thank you so much for watching and hope you like this video. And if you want to learn this recipe, guys, don't forget to share this to your friends and your family. Anybody or anyone can do this at your home, okay? Now we're presenting my chicken kabsa. Hope you like it, guys. See you on my next video. Bye guys.